Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue. Printer is asking save instead of printing in Windows 10 or 11, but you can follow this step in Windows 8 and 7 as well. So first up, you need to open your PDF file or which you want to print, and you need to go to simply here printer, and then you need to go to advanced options, and once you go to advanced options, you should able to see this pop-up windows. You just need to untick this option, print to file, and then click on apply and OK. And once you click on apply and OK, close this file and once again open it, and you should able to fix your issue now. So this is the first step to fix the issue. If this is not working, open the Windows services as administrator and type there print spooler service. Press P on your keyboard and look for this option, print spooler, and make sure it is running on your system. Start it, and if it is already running, just restart it and then try if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, what you can do is you can close this and open your PDF or document into the Word. Simply open the document in Word and simply you can click on file and then you can print from here as well. So as you can see here, the printing showing up here. Just click on print now. So this is a second number solution or third number solution. If this is also not working for you, you can go to settings, then click on settings, and on the system you need to search here troubleshoot setting, this option, other troubleshooter, and simply run the printer service on your system. This is the troubleshooter of printer, and this will automatically fix your issue. So I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.